Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. Today I will show you how to clean this group head inside the filter. So let's start this video. First of all, remove your drip right and this screwdriver. Remove your portafilter group head screw like this. So heat. I can't open this from screwdriver, so I need to help this knife. And same like this one. See, too much black. You can see inside the group head all black. And guys, if you have this medicine tablets, Caffe Espresso cleaner, so you can put with hot water, 2 tablets enough, and you need to open this filter, remove like this, because this is 2 parts like this, then put in the jug with screw all. See, oh my god, too much black. Same like this, remove filter, too much heat, all black. I cleaned this one maybe after 10 days, so after 10 days like this black. Then already tablets inside and filter also inside. Then open the water hot. Just keep it like this only 5 minutes. So now I will clean inside here. Remove water little. See. So you must clean your group head monthly 3 times, 4 times. If you not clean group head, your espresso taste not good. Then this one last. Then take like this silk, like a steel. Then again take tissue. See, now tissue not black. And now other one. So guys, this inside finish. So now this inside the filter also I think clean, because tablet finish. See, too much black water. Wow. First, keep safe your group head screw. Maybe this one will be miss. Then open the water, clean like this brush. Good. See? And take like this needles, because you need to clean also this all holes inside like this. This one may be block because your espresso is stuck inside. See, like this, both side needles like this. First clean this one all black espresso, because oil, with oil this espresso. All this side also clean with brush. Then after this clean, you need to the one needles, because all this whole block, because your espresso is stuck inside. This one finish. Finish. All filters put in the one jug. I put hot water because before first I put tablet, because that tablet lemon and salt. So that's why I put now hot water, so not become to smell, not to become to taste lemon and salt. So only 2 minutes 3 minutes wait, then after that I throw the hot water, then I adjust again group head. So guys, done. So now adjust again your this filter. Put a screw in the middle, in the hole. So now I will put so now adjust again group head filter. Second one. Now last one. That's it. This one last. Finish. And the last step, remove your portafilter basket, because no, I'm not remove basket because I want to clean this one all black also, so no need to remove basket. If I want to clean inside, so I remove basket, then I put this basket. So I want to clean only portafilter. I want to clean this portafilter clean. Put one tablet. Then all set up. All set your portafilter. Switch these buttons because this is automatically digital. Switch this one, and switch this one. This is maybe 10 minutes, then finish automatically all this machine group portafilter. So just wait only 10 minutes because we need to wait until this group head portafilter clean from inside. So just wait only 10 minutes. So guys, this portafilter and group head also clean. Then reset menu, then restart your machine from here, power off, then on again, because this machine computerized, need to restart, same like your cell phone. So guys, you can see portafilter also need to clean. Now clean this basket because medicine smell. Finish all portafilter inside, from inside clean. Put basket and now put again portafilter in your group head. Now flash all three groups only one time because hot water. And the next day, if you when you come your outlet coffee shop, so you need only you take espresso all three groups and remove one espresso out. If you don't like to smell that medicine, so take espresso before make order for customer. Only remove out one espresso out because that medicine smell. Like this only. Then throw, because this espresso first shot after clean not good taste. So all group you need to remove one first shot, you need to throw outside. Don't give your customer because it smell not good. So guys, hope you like my video, and if you like my video, so please like and share, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum, Allah hafiz, masalam.